The 2027 Kia Telluride marks the official launch of the vehicle's highly anticipated second generation, bringing a complete top to bottom redesign. Kia completely skipped the 2026 model year to debut this all new model, which introduces first ever hybrid powertrains, an expanded footprint, a sleek EV inspired aesthetic, and major interior luxury upgrades. Dimensions and exterior design. The second generation model moves towards a bolder, more premium look inspired by Kia's EV9 design language while retaining its signature boxy posture. Larger stature. The vehicle's wheelbase is stretched by nearly 3 inches. The overall length increases by 2.3 inches and the height is raised by 1 inch, which improves ride smoothness and cabin space. Front fascia features a taller, more vertical truck-like hood, a redesigned signature tiger nose grille, and striking vertical LED daytime running lamps and stacked headlights. Side profile outfitted with pop-out flush-mounted door handles to maximize aerodynamic efficiency, power folding side mirrors, and gloss black roof rails. Rear aesthetic showcases an LED waterfall taillight system. The rear wiper is completely hidden behind a long roof spoiler for a cleaner profile, and the lower bumper entirely conceals the exhaust pipes. Powertrain and performance. Kia has completely retired the naturally aspirated V6 engine from previous models. The 2026 lineup relies entirely on a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine configured into 2 distinct power options. Engine configuration: 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Transmission: 8-speed automatic. Horsepower: 274 horsepower. Torque: 311 foot-pounds of torque. Estimated fuel economy: 17 miles per gallon in the city, 22 miles per gallon on the highway, and 19 miles per gallon combined. Max towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds. Interior luxury and technology. The cockpit shifts heavily towards an upscale, near luxury atmosphere featuring premium materials like wood trim and unique contrast stitching. Panoramic displays. The dashboard is anchored by dual 12.3-inch curved screens, one acting as the driver's digital gauge cluster and the other handling the primary infotainment system. Seating flex. Fits 7 to 8 passengers. It offers best-in-class second row leg room with options for a second row bench or wider captain's chairs. Higher trims feature heated and ventilated seats across both the first and second rows. Comfort and sound. Built with upgraded noise reduction materials for a quieter cabin ride and an available 14-speaker Meridian premium audio system. Cargo space. Delivers 22 cubic inches of storage behind the third row, which expands to 49 cubic feet with the third row down and up to 89 cubic feet with all rear seats folded. Trims and trim capabilities. The core gas lineup consists of the traditional LX, S, EX, SX, and SX Prestige trims. The hybrid model streamlines choices, starting at the EX tier and scaling up to the premium SX Prestige Hybrid. Adventure grades. The rugged X-Line and X-Pro variants return for the gas trims. The X-Pro adds enhanced off-road suspension tuning, a standard tow hitch receiver, and exclusive blacked-out wheel designs wrapped in rugged all-terrain tires. Safety upgrades. Incorporates Kia's latest advanced driver assistance systems, highlighted by Pro Pilot Assist 2.1, a 360-degree surround view monitor, blind spot view mapping, and forward collision avoidance technology. The 2027 Kia Telluride offers a diverse lineup of 11 exterior paint options. Pantheria Metal, a deep sleek metallic charcoal gray. Ivory Silver, a bright clean metallic silver. Ebony Black, a rich deep metallic black. Glacier White Pearl, a crisp pearl white with brilliant flake. Midnight Lake Blue, a sophisticated dark navy tone. Black Jade Green, a bold deep forest green, available starting on the EX trim. Exclusive X-Line and X-Pro Adventure colors. If you choose the off-road oriented X-Line or X-Pro packages, you unlock specialized earthy colors and Kia's premium matte finishes. Wolf Gray, a flat, highly popular pastel-like ceramic gray. Terrain Brown, a rugged, natural clay-inspired brown. Pantheria Metal Matte, a flat, non-glossy version of the dark gray. And Terrain Brown Matte, a non-glossy satin finish version of the earthly brown. The 2027 Kia Telluride introduces an upgraded selection of 6 distinctive interior colorways, shifting heavily toward high-contrast dual-tone aesthetics. Black, a classic all-black monotone look. It features synthetic leather paired with a durable cloth insert on the base LX and S trims, moving to full synthetic on the EX and SX. Black and Butter Brown, a warm caramel tan secondary color, accenting the lower dashboard and seating surfaces, available starting on the EX trim. Deep Navy and Tuscan Umber, a bold, high-contrast combination pairing rich navy blue surfaces with a distinctive brick red, orange tinted clay hue. This configuration is available on the premium SX trim. Black and Millstone, a unique theme paired deep black with millstone, a specialized camo green deep khaki shade, available on the X-Line SX, X-Line SX Prestige, and X-Pro SX Prestige. Millstone and Saddle Brown blends the camo green millstone accents with a bright beige leaning brown. This option is exclusive to the X-Line SX trim level. SX Prestige Suede accents, closing the top tier SX Prestige package, upgrades the seats and headliner with plush premium Syntec suede microfiber inserts. hybrid exclusive eggplant. The SX Prestige Hybrid variant unlocks a special premium color scheme featuring a deep dark purple tone contrasted beautifully against a light sand beige seating material. The 2027 Kia Telluride starts at a base manufacturer suggested retail price of $39,190 for the gas-powered entry-level LX Forward trim.